Hello, my name is Lucy. My pronouns are she, her. I'm going to be talking a little bit about college life at the University of York. Currently, I live in David Cato College. Honestly, I'm in love with it. I think the facilities are fantastic. I'm going to just give a brief overview of the college system and then show you a few things that I love about this college. Okay, I'm currently making coffee in the kitchen, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about how the colleges work. So the 11 colleges in York are divided up into 1 postgraduate college and 10 undergraduate colleges. There's 2 different campuses as well, so there's Campus East and Campus West. I live on Campus East, which is the newer campus. There's some really gorgeous scenery around, so there's lots of lakes, lots of birds, lots of ducks, lots of open spaces, which is really nice for going on walks. West is a lot busier than East. There's a lot more colleges and a lot more departments, so I actually have all of my lectures on West. It's about a 10 to 15 minute walk to my lectures and my workshops and my seminars, which I really enjoy, but it's something to keep in mind when you're choosing your colleges. Also, no matter what college you end up in, it's guaranteed that your bills will be included in your rent. You're also going to have access to Wi-Fi, you're going to have a bathroom, whether that's shared or ensuite. There's also contents insurance, 24-hour security. Each college has its own common room, so for David Cato, that's the hub. And very importantly, no matter where you are, you're going to have access to a shared kitchen, which our kitchen isn't the cleanest at the current moment. It's because we had a huge Christmas dinner last night, which was very fun. So this is an example of a shared kitchen in David Cato College. This is actually our kitchen and we share it between 8 flatmates. As you can see, this was filmed around Christmas time. In December and November at the university, it's very common to see lots of Christmas trees in everybody's flats. And this is a bit of the view from our window looking onto the lake. And this is my room. I would have to say I think my favourite bit about living in David Cato is just the facilities and the rooms and the kitchens. Everything's so modern and clean and the views are stunning from almost all of the windows. All of the rooms in David Cato College are ensuite rooms. I absolutely love this about my college and I probably take it for granted a little bit too much. It's just so convenient to be able to get out of bed and walk straight into your own bathroom. The last thing I wanted to touch on is the David Cato Hub. So the Hub is a communal area and it's located in the middle of David Cato. It's a great place for studying as well as socialising. It has a piano, pool tables, table tennis tables, a TV and also a reception desk if you need anything. There's also mailboxes and a laundry room. I also think it's helpful to note that no matter what college you end up in, everyone I've spoken to loves their college and they really enjoy it. I think there's so much anxiety around applying because people might have their hearts set on different colleges and they might not end up where they want to be. But I think it's really important to remember every college has a baseline of certain facilities that they're going to provide, and just the experience of being around new people, living on campus, you're always going to enjoy where you end up and that will become your favourite college.